This guy, Chad Bartlett, big affiliate marketer, has brought in a ridiculous fat stack. Apparently, he claims with affiliate marketing. Like, I mean, big figures, big, just think super big. Now, I wanted to test this, so I did about 9 to 10 months ago, and this is what has happened. I'm going to let you know if he's a big super clown or if it's the real deal and you can bring in fat stacks with this side hustle. So the main thing he does is he promotes Builderall, which is a website builder and digital marketing platform dashboard. And you can see that I started promoting it back in October of 2021. And all these bars represent signups and things like that. So let me show you actual numbers of what happened. So over 9 to 10 months now, I guess it's been 10, maybe even on almost 11 months now. So that's US. I did that in US. And he promotes this with a course called the 5-Day First Commission Challenge. It's a free course, and I promote it as well. And it turns out to be real. He's not a clown. It was the real deal. And he's an awesome guy, and he helped me bring in a lot of coin. I would say this is my #1 side hustle. Over the 70 side hustles I tested over the last 10 months, this has been one of the best. And I have 2 other TikTok channels if you want to see more information like this. All right, and if you want to try my #1 side hustle, just go right there, click